So here we go. We are recording. We're doing the quick tour of the website first, and then afterwards we'll be talking a little bit about JavaScript, and then we'll see how much time there's left. So the website, quick introduction. San Sperate, small town in southern Sardinia, well known for murals and museums, and that's what my project is about. So this is the main page. There's a hero section, you can call it. Nice big image there. We could maybe talk about the nav bar and the gradient on top. It sort of gradually switches in and out between three of the four colors on the page. There's a logo to the left, not one of my invention, but the official town logo. Then there's the four sub pages for that, and you can also see those represented on the main page as you scroll down. Get there, town maps, mural gallery, and then there's an about section and a footer at the bottom here. Get there is a little bit of a map showing a picture of town, giving some information about how to get a bus, and there's a little bit more information. You need to get an app because you can't buy tickets on the bus, and there's a little bit about how the main tourist office is closed in the winter because that's life. All stuff that's good to know, I think. Town maps is very much that. It used to be called routes, but that was confusing. In the testing, I found that out. So it's called town maps, which is also what it is. This is material you can get at the tourist office, and it's exactly that, town maps, showing where you can find some of the murals, showing the main routes, which was why I initially called it that. And here in the season, I'm guessing you can actually get into sort of audio tour of town. A little bit of text, the footer again, mural gallery, which is sort of the main page, you could say, for any kind of interactivity. There are 10 images here. You can access them by clicking on the buttons here. Just briefly go through them. This is my favorite image, I think, out of all of them, so we get a few more seconds. It shows 10 different images around town just to show some of what there is. There's probably around 100 or so murals spread around town. Murals, installations, etc. The about section is me writing a little bit about why I'm doing the assignment and such. Pinuccio Sciola, the guy who is responsible for bringing the murals to town, an artist who is well known for sort of rock sculptures that are also instruments. That's all of the page. So if we want to do the JavaScript stuff, we can do that as well. There's not too much. There's really only this here, where what it's about is really just, it's for the pop-ups. So basically you have these buttons in here that are for the pop-ups, and the JavaScript, what it does is when you push a button, you sort of, each button gets a number by this query selector all. It gets a button. They're all of this image button type. That has a number, and that number sort of gets fed into the other part of the code, the image paths index pop-up image part. That number sort of gets fed, the button number gets fed into that, and that number sort of retrieves one of the links from the array up here. So that's how that works, and simultaneously the pop-up goes from being hidden to being shown, and that's roughly that. And we're back to the solution. There were some parts that were cut that could be added back in with time, and maybe the map could be made better the way it was meant to be, as is shown in the design prototype. But you know, tempus fugit, as they say, so that's why we're here. I'd rather have something to hand in than not, so there you go.